Hi, thanks to my lovely wife and my son, I've got this great Tonka history book. I've got mine there. This one is 82 according to this book, which is fine. I didn't pay a great deal for it, and it does remind me of my one. I think the one's called Heavy Loader in here. It's like, I'm not going to go through everything, but it's like the history of Tonka. And I always thought Tonka was a British company. I didn't realise it was American. It's quite fascinating. I'll be reading that over the weekend. Lovely pictures, profiles. Awesome. I love it. I'm very lucky, and thanks to my wife and son, I now own this great book. It's coming up to the kind of era that I 1970s. So it looks like, if I can just find the page, I think that one must have been the one I had, the Tonka dump, only because it's round the right period. So I had mine about 70, 71. These came out about 68 to 70, 69. So around about the right time. So it's actually not a lot of difference between that one and that one. I think the cab's just slightly different. But yeah, fantastic read. So yeah, as I say, very happy, and I just wanted to shout out to my lovely wife and my son for getting this between the two of them. So I saw this in a local shop, and just I love history of toys and that as well. So thank you for watching.